Okay, this is part 2, which means the second side is done. This is the back. That's finished today. And the front you already seen. And we got 2 more sides on the roof. Then to put it on the platform. So we're good. Now it's time to go get a cowboy steak. And have a good grill. Beautiful day today. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow too. You can see the foliage. Apparently it's causing a lot of problems up here. Too many people coming. But it's pretty much full bloom. Alright, these are short clips. We'll do, I guess, part 3, 4, 5, and 6 as we get there. Little foliage in the backyard. Oh, the generator shed. And there's the shed. All right, until next time.